In this video, I will be showing you how to schedule emails in Outlook. So let's get started with the video. First, click this new email button in the top to compose the email. And here, add all the details you want to mail, like you compose a regular email. To schedule the email, you need to click this down pointing arrow button. And in this list, select the Schedule Send option. And in this pop-up window, you have two default schedule dates and time. To send the email on your own custom schedule time, select the date and time here. And finally click the Send button to schedule the email. And done scheduling the email in Outlook. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.